On another health-related story, members of the public have been warned against buying non-standardized paints that could expose them to lead.
Speaking in Nairobi during the commemoration of the Lead Poisoning Prevention Week, the Center for Environment, Justice and Development, CEJAD, said that in 2013, 19 of the 21 locally produced paints had a high concentration of lead. Noting that the threats posed by exposure to lead, such as intellectual disability in children and infertility or miscarriage among pregnant women, Public Health Principal Secretary Mary Muthoni called for early screening in hospital to detect blood lead levels.
Kenya government, in response to these issues, I know has gazetted standards of lead levels at 90 parts per million, that is in 2017, and banning the use of leaded petrol in Kenya. Yesterday we started this conversation.
A total of 21 brands were represented in the samples that were collected. All the paints were manufactured in Kenya. Just to give a snapshot of this problem, even though the study was done a few years ago, out of the 21 brands, 19 had 90% of paint brands and this was 90% of the paint brands and had at least one paint color with high levels of lead that exceeded the 90 parts per million.
To support a post-market survey, which will assess lead levels in paints available in the Kenyan market. The result of this survey will guide policy enforcement, help identify non-compliant products, and drive future advocacy campaigns.